Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm from Carpet Hut. Today I'm here to show you how to install carpet padding. Okay, now, in order to install carpet padding, you'll need the following. You'll need a pad stapler, you'll need a razor knife, you'll need pad tape, and you'll need pad staples. Sometimes glue, but that's only on a concrete floor, and we're not doing that now. And this is your first step. First thing you do is roll this pad out. And then what you need to do is make sure that your pad is only 1/8 of an inch close to that tack strip. Bumping it over to the side here to make it come closer to the tack strip, you can be done with your feet, just like this. After you have your first piece of pad rolled out, make sure that all your second pieces and the pieces following are all flush at your seams. This is the second step in installing your pad. You're going to need your pad stapler. You might even use some tape. That's up to you. Bringing your pad together at the seams is the way you do this. You want to bring your pad together at every seam with the tape or with the stapler. This is step 3 of installing your pad. You want to take your knife and get your knife close to the baseboard. Actually stay with the tack strip on the outside and pull your knife through, keeping your knife along the tack strip so the pad stays right to it. And that's how to install carpet padding.